Today is October 4th. This is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado 2-year only steering wheel in the original 482 Sandlewood for my friend Joe out in California. This steering wheel has been completely disassembled and completely restored with the original 482 grip lines on the front face perimeter of the steering wheel, and all of the trigons that were split and cracked, and the beautiful stainless steel band on the outer perimeter of the steering wheel. Okay, so this is the preliminary video of the steering wheel after the restoration has been completed, and I'm going to do a final assembly of it, and that'll be video number 2. And this particular unit will then be shipping out to my friend Joe once I get his okay to ship reply confirmation out there in California. And this is the steering wheel that goes with the steering column in the predecessor videos that has been done. This is George in video. Today's October 4th. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the E1 Eldorado from 1967 to 1970, and I'm best known for my restoration, my show quality restoration of the steering wheels for all the Cadillac cars. And I have over 250,000 parts overall from 1959 to 1976. I am a classic car enthusiast and owner of 7 of these classic E1 Eldorados, and I provide free unlimited telephone discussion with all of my Eldorado friends all over the world. Okay, this is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly. Today's October 4th.